You can catch reversals so easily like this if you simply understand ICT order flow with 15-minute fair value gaps. So step number one of this model is that you must have a 15-minute fair value gap. You see over here on the 15-minute fair value gap, we had a nice rejection over here. Now let's head down to the 1-minute time frame. So as you can see on the 1-minute time frame, what we had over here, some trend line liquidity that was forming over here. But we as traders are interested in this price action over here. And the reason why this price action is so important is so we can then take sells from this position, right? What gives you the confidence to place your stop loss just above these highs and target all of the liquidity you see down here? Let me answer that question for you now. This is the answer you see on your screen, right? This is the different world of order flow with 15-minute fair value gaps. So from here, we're simply looking to read the order flow and we're looking to understand who is aggressive, right? So let's quickly look at what we have over here. If we expand on the order flow, what we can see is we see a 0 for 3 at the top. Now, when you see a 0 for 3 at the top, this means that there's only aggressive buyers, but there's no aggressive sellers, right? So when we see aggressive buyers in a zone, it means that the market is willing to reverse because we're at a bearish 15-minute fair value gap and price cannot break above this. So aggressive buyers have failed. This is what we see over here. And this is why we see price melting down along with a very, very large aggressive seller over here. So with the regular candlestick charts, what we've now understood is that we have a lot of aggressive buyers in this zone which have failed. Aggressive sellers start to take over here. And this is the reason the fair value gap held in the first place, right? So to quickly sum up the strategy, you want 15-minute fair value gaps, you want 1-minute entries, and you want to use the order flow to confirm who is aggressive and who is passive, right? So if you want to know how I do this and how I have a mechanical system with no emotion, just comment the word mechanical and I'll send you a free checklist on how I do this.